To delete your Facebook account on an iPhone or Android device using the Facebook app, start by opening the app. Tap the menu button in the bottom right corner. Then navigate to the settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Within the settings, under the Account Center section, choose See More in Account Center. Next, scroll down in the Account Center and select Personal Details. From there, tap Account Ownership and Control, then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select the profile you wish to delete and choose Delete Account. Tap Continue, but note that if you are the sole admin of any Facebook pages or groups, those will also be deleted unless you transfer ownership. You can provide a reason for deleting your account, though this step is optional. Tap Continue again until you see the option to confirm the permanent deletion of your account. Then scroll down and select Continue. Finally, enter your Facebook password. Tap Continue, and your account will be permanently deleted.